Let's start at 2 meters away, and as you can hear, my voice is still crisp and clear. And now, I move back to 8 meters away. Normally, you'd expect the sound to fade, but thanks to MeetingBoard Pro's advanced microphone array, my voice remains just as natural and intelligible as before. I'll create some common but disruptive noises, like dragging a chair or tapping the table. And normally, these sounds will be loud and distraction in your meeting. But did you hear any of that? No. This means your meeting stay focused, professional, and interruption-free, no matter what's happening in the background. So let's get started.
As we know that traditional framing and tracking views the entire group around the table, or continuously shift between speakers.
Forget about those traditional setups that constantly switch views.